How to roll over your 401k to a Gold IRA with no stress. Planning for retirement requires strategies that protect your savings from uncertainty. One option is to roll over your 401k to a Gold IRA, a move that adds stability and diversification. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. With careful steps, this process can be completed smoothly, without tax penalties or stress. 1. Learn what a Gold IRA is. A Gold IRA is a self-directed retirement account that lets you hold physical gold and other IRS-approved metals. It differs from a traditional 401k by offering protection against inflation and market swings. 2. Pick a reliable custodian. The IRS requires Gold IRAs to be managed by an approved custodian. Choose a company with experience, clear fees, and strong customer service. This decision ensures your rollover is handled correctly. 3. Select a safe depository. Physical gold must be stored in an IRS-approved vault. Look for facilities with strict security, insured storage, and the option for segregated accounts if you want your gold held separately. 4. Use a direct rollover. Avoid penalties by choosing a trustee-to-trustee transfer. In this method, funds move directly from your 401k into the Gold IRA. This keeps your retirement savings tax-deferred and penalty-free. 5. Choose approved gold investments. Only certain coins and bars qualify, such as American Gold Eagles or Canadian Maple Leafs. Work with your custodian to ensure your purchases meet IRS rules. 6. Review and adjust over time. Markets change, so review your Gold IRA regularly. Rebalancing ensures your portfolio stays aligned with your retirement goals. Rolling over your 401k to a Gold IRA with no stress is possible when you follow these simple steps. By working with the right custodian, using a direct transfer, and selecting IRS-approved gold, you can protect your wealth while preparing for retirement. A Gold IRA not only diversifies your savings, but also provides long-term peace of mind. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.